Every trail and forest preserve tells a story, and behind every great outdoor experience, there's a team making it happen. From keeping our preserves safe, to maintaining the trails, to helping visitors make the most of their time in nature, our employees go the extra mile. They're the ones protecting, preserving, and enhancing your connection to the outdoors. Meet our Trailblazers.
My name is Julie Bozzo. I'm a restoration crew lead and volunteer liaison for the Forest Preserve District of Will County, and I've been working here almost 2 years. When I was in high school trying to pick a major, I just kind of said, I want to be the people on TV that clean the ducklings after an oil spill, and that led me down the rabbit hole of wildlife conservation. Went to college for it, did a lot of short-term research positions, even grad school, and then landed in habitat restoration. I've got a really big background in wildlife research, and I started here as a seasonal to kind of dip my toes in the waters of restoration and habitat management. So while I was a seasonal, this full-time opportunity came about, and it was just too good of a chance to pass up on. I definitely wear 2 hats. The restoration crew lead side has me working with our group of seasonals that comes in, throughout the year we get a new bunch. And I lead them through our restoration activities in the preserve. So invasive species control, fire break construction, seed collection. And then as a volunteer liaison, I plan and coordinate the public volunteer events that we offer for conservation. So a lot of the stuff that our seasonal crew does, we let volunteers participate at designated events. Brush control events, weed control, and seed collection. We have a lot of variety to offer the public. It's not specifically part of my main job, but I have had the opportunity to volunteer with our wildlife ecologist, Becky Blankenship, on some of her turtle research. I also participate in grassland bird surveys every June in some of our preserves, so I get to dabble in it here and there. Being able to provide people with an opportunity to engage not only with other like-minded folks, but with their natural areas, to come out here and see this is what the work that Conservation and the Forest Preserve District are doing to improve your natural areas, and kind of opening that door for other people to be involved with that it's very important to me. It is a challenge at times. There's only so many hours in the day, and a lot of things that we do are time of year dependent. So if there's, some seed that we wanted to collect, but it was a particularly dry year, we may miss out on collecting that seed because it, was ready earlier than we expected, and then you just kind of try to get it next year. So you do the best that you can, trying to accomplish as much as you can with the resources that you have. I don't think there's anything glamorous about carrying around an herbicide backpack or pulling ticks off of yourself at the end of the day. So I'd say those 2 things. The amount of time and effort that volunteers put into our preserves, it's truly incredible. They fulfill a ton of different roles. They're a really incredible asset that we're very lucky to have.